on your every social media post you're getting tons of engagements, tons of comments, likes. People are saying like, I love your post, you are really great, thanks so much for sharing, like these kind of comments. But when it comes to turning those engagements, those likes into sales, into selling, turning those followers into clients, you are struggling with that part. It's like, why, like my engagement, everything is going perfect, so why their people are not buying my offers if they really like my post? So in this video I'm gonna share with you, here's like 4 mistakes that you are doing in your content that is not converting your followers into clients, and how to fix that. So this video is inspired by the Shivans Club community member. So she posted inside the Shivans Club that she posting tons of social media content on her social media, LinkedIn and Facebook. She's getting tons of engagement, but does not converting, and she's struggling with that. And by the way, if you don't know what is Shivans Club, so Shivans Club is the community which is created by me, a club for wonderful female entrepreneurs where we support each other with their vision and with their business, like a community, like friends. We are connected with all over the world, and it's a beautiful community. So if you wanted to join, make sure you click the link in the description. It's totally free, a free community, like a party club. So let's back to the topic. So the number one mistake, I also did that in my over the last 2 years of my content marketing and my business. I also did that. So the number one is not having a clear messaging. What does it mean? When you're creating content, you don't know like this content is, who is it for? Like you're not being very specific. You're being very general. Okay, I'm posting this for everyone. If anyone come up and buy my offer, that's great. Make sure whenever you're posting content, you know what is your goal from that. Are you talking with? Is it a business owner? If you want to create this post for a business owner, it's like specific copywriter, or your client avatar, like specifically you're talking to a one person and very clearly your messaging is very clear. Who is it for? This content is for this people, copywriters, because my ideal clients is copywriters. So copywriters, business goals, so business goals. Make sure your messaging is very clear on your content. Number second is talking with wrong people. Like your community that you have on your social media is not targeted people, just general random people that is you are connected on your social media. So make sure you audit your audience. Like is it like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, like are these people that are your follower, that are your friends on Facebook, is it really your targeted community, your targeted like audience that you want to turn that into a client? Are they really a potential client? Make sure you audit that, and if they are not, make sure you work on that to get those, building those your targeted community. Because no matter if your messaging is clear, everything is clear, your offer is perfect for your target audience, but it's not reaching to your targeted people, it's a waste of time. So make sure you audit and check, are your community on your social media, is it like targeted audience, is it really targeted community that you have built, that is your potential client, or is it like general people? Number third is posting random content. Instead of posting, make sure you don't just post happy Monday, happy Sunday, or inspiration post, because like inspiration post you can't sell, or like it's just like why people are going to buy. So make sure whenever you're posting content, your 80 to 90% your content is talking about building your authority, like that content that is going to build your authority on your industry, and also build trust, that why are you the only one that your clients will like love to work with you, or like talking about your offer or service, how they can help you, revolve around that on your industry, on your offer and your services, and building that authority. Last part, most people did that, is no call to action. Posting content, super valuable information, and no call to action, not telling people what to do next. After they read your post, after they all love, okay, they're reading all your posts, what to do next, what is the next step for your client. Make sure your call to action is very clear. If you want like you have shared, like let me share with you, I have shared like how my client booked a sales call from Instagram or from Instagram reel. So I've shared that tip. And the call to action, I say, if you're interested to getting the same result, comment below IG for more deals. So I want my people to comment IG so I can send them more deals if they're interested. So make sure you're telling people in a call to action very clear what you want from those content, to follow you, to comment below, to talk about your offer, or just comment, like if you like this post, comment below yes or drop an emoji like that. Make sure you add a call to action. So I hope you like this video and you apply these 4 things on all your content marketing. That is very helpful for you and that is going to work best. And also if you need help with your content marketing for your business, make sure you check out the content to cash program. Link is in the description where you can find more details about it, and feel free to connect with me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is go visit me. You can see here on the screen, and can ask with me any question. Feel free to message me. I'm super friendly, I promise.